So I'm just going to show you a couple of hygiene pickups, and yeah, I'll have everything of course linked directly on this video because YouTube shopping's worth that. If you didn't know that, now you know. Okay, subscribe to my channel. I got you, always and forever. First of all, I do want to say these towels are fire though. This is the hotel collection towel from Walmart, and these are so nice. I love the quality of these. They feel so good. They wash so nice. I've had these towels for maybe almost a year now, I'd say. And they look brand new, nice and thick and sturdy. They don't snag in the dryer or anything like that. They feel really nice and soft. And I'm telling you, like, all 4 of the babies, like all 5 of them actually, if they use one towel, like, it's still good. Like that, like probably after 5 kids. I mean, this towel honestly lasts 5 children, okay? 5 baths, 5 kids, 5 dry offs. This is how good this is. Very absorbent, very nice. I'll make sure I link this. I picked up some deodorant. If you have any deodorant recommendations, do let me know down below because I am on the lookout. But as of now, I'm still using Suave, okay, the Suave. I got 2 of them. This is the Everlasting Sunshine, and this is the Cocoa Butter and Shea. Let's smell it. I like the Suave Everlasting Sunshine scent in particular because it has a really nice fresh scent to it. Kind of like if you were to put on like a body mist. What is it called? Like Body Fantasies, I think they have at Walmart, the $1 one. Like those little cute $1 body mist. It kind of smells like that without having to put that on. So I really do like this. I think these were like $2.50. And I also got this Cocoa Butter and Shea to go along with this. Is the Almond and Shea Sugar Scrub, and this is from the Equate Beauty. I have done a review on these body scrubs before, and in that video, I'll link it down in the description. I was told that the Almond and Shea was pretty good. So I did go ahead and pick that up, and let's go ahead and give it a whiff. She was right. That's nice. It's subtle, it's nice, but it's gonna add something to it. You definitely have to pair this with something though. I would say a nice vanilla, another cocoa butter, things like that. So you know what? So for this today's shower routine, I'm definitely gonna hit up the black soap. I'm gonna do black soap with this and then come out the bathroom and I'm gonna do this. Okay, perfect. My trio for my shower today is gonna be black soap. I'll go ahead and link this down below. I got that on Amazon. It's going to be the Equate. It's gonna be the Equate Beauty Almond and Shea Sugar Scrub. And this is with almond oil and oatmeal extract. And then when I come out the shower, I'm gonna use the Suave Cocoa Butter and Shea deodorant. And then last but not least, I did get a body wash. This body wash is from Bodycology. It is the Strawberry Cheesecake 2-in-1 Body Wash and Bubble Bath All Day Moisture. I have gotten some of these before, and I do have a video, I'll link that as well, where I did honestly talk about a lot of bath things that I got, some good hygiene products to pick up from Walmart. So yeah, let's go ahead and give this one a whiff. I didn't smell it in the store, I don't know why, but it smells so good. Just like strawberry cheesecake, like it smells so good. It smells like Cream Savers. You remember that candy, Cream Savers? That's what it smells like. Amazing, okay? And yes, I'll also go ahead and link down some type of loofah sponge as well. This is the sponge I'm using. And my husband actually picked this up from Dollar Tree, but I'll go ahead and link one down below. And I was like, yeah, okay, babe, look at you, good find. But yes, let's go ahead. And don't forget, you can always shop my channel. I have tons of different stores, you can say, little collections and things like that down below in the product section, or you can go on my page and click stores and just see all the different categories that I have that can help you out. But yeah, I love you all so much, and God bless.